In this video, I want to make the distinction between commoditization and artistry. Many of us have tended to think of the world of work and business as commoditization. So, you know, we sell our labor, we sell our experience, or, you know, I've met so many people who've asked, you know, questions like, well, who needs another coach? Who needs another writer? Who needs another singer? Who needs another whatever, another fill in the blank? And that's when we tend to think of ourselves as a commodity. It's just like, well, we're pretty much the same as everybody else, except we're a bit different. Whereas for me, the useful kind of transition in our thinking is to think of ourselves as artistry. And my starting point for this is that on a spiritual level, I guess, we're totally unique. There is nobody in creation exactly like us. And I think what happens is that we then actually try and squash what's unique about us in order to fit in. You know, so many of us have been encouraged to do that. I certainly was. It's about fitting in rather than being uniquely ourselves. And my belief is that the more we allow, or probably more, firstly, the more we discover and then allow out our unique artistry, our unique talents, our unique quirks, the aspects of our personality and experience that are unique to us, actually we become more artistic, if you like. We become artists of our own life. We become artists of our own soul. And then really what happens is we stop being a commodity, because there will be some people for whom we are the answer to their prayers and they really resonate with us. So we start creating our own niche and to some extent our own brand because of our uniqueness, because of our artistry, because of the way that we do things, because of the unique energies and insights and ways of looking at things that we bring to what we do. So I think it's really important that you make the transition from thinking of yourself and what you do in your work or business as commoditized, and start thinking of yourself as an artist, and that your work and business and whatever you do is an expression of your artistry. Because firstly, that will really fulfill you when you can really express yourself naturally and more fully, and secondly, you will then draw people to your naturalness, and because of who you're being, and because you're being so real and authentic.